rather occurs only as a result of a random genetic error after an conception.
ओके, झालं का?
हो झाले.
हॅलो. हां, ओके
हो
ओके,
एवढंच.
छान. हां, छान, गुड. हॅलो, सुरेखा.
हा मॅम.
हां, सांगा. कुठला सिंड्रोम आहे?
डाऊन सिंड्रोम आहे.
सांगा. एकीनं कुणीतरी सांगा जेनेटिक्स, एकीनं सिम्पटम्स आणि बाकीचं सांगा.
मॅम मी सांगू जेनेटिक.
हो सांगा.
Down syndrome is genetic disorder caused when abnormal cell division and result in an extra full or partial copy of chromosome 21. Down syndrome varies in severity among individuals, causing lifelong intellectual disability and development delays. नंतर ना त्याचे 3 व्हेरिएशन टाइप्स आहेत कॉजेस ऑफ डाऊन सिंड्रोम, एक ट्रिझोमी 21, मोझाईक डाऊन सिंड्रोम आणि ट्रान्सलोकेशन डाऊन सिंड्रोम. आणि ते मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम डाऊन सिंड्रोम इज अन हेरिडिटी. It causes by a mistake in cell division during early development of fetus. Translocation Down syndrome can pass from parents to child. However, only about 3 to 4% of children with Down syndrome have translocation, and only some of them inherited it from one of their parents. When balanced translocations are inherited, the mother or father has some rearranged genetic material upon chromosome 21 on another chromosome, but not extra genetic material. This means he or she has no sign or symptoms of Down syndrome, but can pass an unbalanced translocation on a children, causing Down syndrome in the children.
ओके, नेक्स्ट सुरेखा.
हा मॅम. डाऊन सिंड्रोमचे सिम्पटम्स सांगते.
हां सांगा.
At birth, babies with Down syndrome usually have certain characteristics including flat facial features, small head and ear, short neck, blurring tongue, eye with a slant upward, poor muscle tone. An infant with Down syndrome can be born an average size, but it develop more slowly than child without the condition. People with Down syndrome usually have some degrees of developmental disabilities, but it's often mild to moderate. Mental and social development delays may mean that the child could have impulsive behavior, poor judgment, short attention span, slow learning capabilities. Medical complications often accompany Down syndrome. These include congenital heart defects, hearing loss, poor vision, clouded eyes, hip problems such as dislocation, leukemia, chronic constipations, interpreted breathing during sleep, dementia through memory problems, hypothyroidism, low thyroid functions, obesity, late tooth growth, causing problem with chewing. People with Down syndrome also more prone to infection. They may struggle with respiratory infection, urinary tract infection, and skin infection.
ओके, गुड. नेक्स्ट.
मॅम हॅलो.
हां हां बोला.
हा मॅम, बार बॉडी.
हां,
ते सांगते. आवाज येतोय मॅम?
हो येतोय येतोय, बोला.
हा. Bar body, the named after discovered by Muri Bar in is inactive X chromosome in cell with more than one X chromosome rendered inactive in process called as a lionization. In species with XY sex determination, including humans. Their location of Barr bodies are most commonly situated at periphery of nucleus. However, minority of Barr bodies are found in the other parts of the nucleus, and many of these situated in the proximity to the nucleolus. The function of Barr bodies. Barr body is an inactivated condensed X chromosome found in female cells. Since female possess two X chromosomes and male have one X chromosome and Y chromosome, Barr bodies are essential to regulate the amount of X-linked gene product being transcribed.
ओके
हॅलो
हा
हा मॅम एवढंच म्हणजे भेटलंय असं म्हणजे जास्त काही ते हे होत नाही नेट पण चालत नाहीये त्यामुळे मला एवढंच भेटलंय
ओके असू द्यात छान सांगितलं ओके आता एकच मिनिट हा